All right, welcome back, traders, to your Friday live edition here. Mr. Know-It-All, thank you guys so much for joining me today. We got plenty of altcoins ripping right now. Ones we've been calling out for quite some time, they're finally starting to move. Ontology was one of them here. All right. We took a position here actually yesterday around the $2.11 area. This was an STP call out, guys. Let me just go back and show you where we call this out, when we call this out, so you guys have an understanding. All right, we called this out in the paid alert service at 12 o'clock this morning. All right, so we gave an entry around the $2.15 area. I don't know why this link isn't going up, but anyways, we're talking about a long-term trade here, a 3 to 6 month swing. So this was called out, and what do you know? We got a nice little move out today. Perfect. All right. Yeah, guys, you guys already know it. You guys already know it. We'll do an ETH update here, sure, and we're gonna cover our hidden gem token here in just 1 second. Actually, I have another ETH chart here that's really insane that you guys should definitely look at. I think this is the most data I've ever found on the ETH chart, and I think I charted this on the HA candles. I forget how I did this, but let me go back to see what I did here. This line's a little bit off. Here it is, man. Here's the long-term ETH chart, guys. Pretty nutty. It's pretty nutty. It basically says that you should just own ETH for the long term. Obviously, take profits towards the end of the cycles and reaccumulate, because we all know this major triangle right here on ETH, we just broke out of it, right? We just broke out of it here in March. All right, we're talking about major Fibonacci extension target here, $12,900 US, and to the 1414 fib extension, guys. This is totally a possibility that we get up here. Maybe not this cycle, but in maybe sometime in the next year, maybe a couple years, we could get up here. It would be actually pretty insane if we did even half of this move within the next 2 years. It's really crazy, man. This is one of the craziest charts I've ever seen aside from Bitcoin. 133,789.5% from the breakout, guys. Are you guys listening to me? Again, it's not going to do this whole move in one shot. That would be an absurd valuation for Ethereum. But I think the 1272 fib extension is probably a real target for this run, and we could see us come up here and then come back down to back test the triangle, right? And then maybe consolidate here for a year or two, and then make a new pattern, right? If I continue this trend line out. So yeah, definitely pay attention to the Ethereum chart, guys. This is something not to ignore. It's craziness, man. This is craziness. Yeah, craziness. All right, cool. So that's the ETH update I got for you guys. The SAR actually on the monthly is just throwing longs now. This is how I know this is real, man. The SAR indicator hasn't thrown any signals. Obviously, there hasn't been enough chart data ever to throw a signal, and now there's just enough data now to start throwing these longs on the monthly time scale, guys. It's effing nuts. It's effing nuts. That's all I have to say. All right, cool. What's going on, Wes? What's going on, Ahmed? Yo, Crypto Black Sheep, what's going on, dude? Arash, what's up, dude? Geo Surge, what's up, man? MW, what's up? Board Shooting, what's going on, man? Albie Vargas, let's go, brother. Caleb, what's up? Amir, what's going on, man? Yeah, I know. Doge, man. We called Doge out at 6 cents, brother. Called it out at 6 cents. Because I have that 6 cents. Here it is, man. The parabola-looking structure that we broke out of. And we broke out of it right here, back tested it, and just rallied, right? Just gone. It actually it exceeded the measured move by probably an extra 100%. So, I mean, who can really project an extra 100% move, right? You can't. It's impossible. I don't care how good you are at TA. There's no way you could project an extra move like that. There's just no way, right? Lightning Protocol. I don't even know what that is, bro. I know you talked about it the other day, but thank you so much, Dave. I appreciate that. On Doge, another 15-minute triangle? Possibly. Maybe just a downslope of consolidation, right? And yeah, you maybe could see continuation. Bruce broke the trading range here. Right, we had this nice little rally up to this wick high. One, two touch points, right? 350% measured move since we broke out of it. Broke out of it. Probably going to come back down to back test it now. Trading view put on Uniswap, taking swap DeFi markets now. Yeah, I mean, URUS, we're looking pretty good, man. Up to maybe 90 bucks on this asset from the range below to the top of the breakout range here in the short term. Okay, Arash, looking pretty good. Bitcoin Cash banned. We'll take a look at them, all right? Bitcoin Cash we've had plotted for quite some time as well and broke. What do you guys know, man? What do you effing know? What did we do right here, man? Broke out of the parabola. That's why we're going to see parabolic moves here from Bitcoin Cash. Parabolic move incoming, man. This is going to go straight to 1,800 bucks and then get maybe a pullback. It's silly, man. SAR throwing longs here on the weekly. Like, what do you guys want, man? There's nothing else to see here, right? Oh, really? It's on TradingView? Oh, wow. Sweet. Oh, wow. Look at that flag it's putting in against ETH, guys. You know, we can actually do this against ETH USD. Get the real price, right? I think Poloniex right has the most data. Here it is. Beautiful flag for URUS here. Very nice. Very nice. SAR throwing longs on URUS here as well. All right, guys. Beautiful. Cool. We're going to look at OST. This was one I was looking at maybe buying too, for what it's worth for you guys, so you guys know. I've been talking about buying it. I haven't done it just yet. But it's back testing this this previous breakout area here. We want to see this being regarded as support. All right, we're seeing this daily come down right now. .4 hour just consolidating, right? Looks good. Looks good. going on, Jasal? We'll look at Raven, yep. Big breakout here, right? So that sucks. Still in this consolidation range though, okay? EZRX and CRV, yeah man, my two favorite shitcoins that I actually own. Okay, so Raven, if we want to see this make higher lows here along this demand line, which is what it looks like it's doing, this actually could be an area to maybe look for a long position right towards the bottom of the demand line. You can see on the hourly here, right? It's starting to reverse, right? So you could maybe grab a small long position here. This isn't financial advice, guys. However, it does look like we could at least go back up to test the top of the range at 24 cents, right? So Raven looking pretty good. EZRX, look at it. I think I charted this on the weekly. Yeah, we broke out, right? We broke the structure. This was a cup and handle pattern. We broke out of it. We're still looking about to get back to the top of the range here, $1.42 in some time. We could obviously see some pullback back to back test, but it looks like actually really just making a consolidation up here. Okay, you're consolidating by resistance, guys. This is an extremely bullish scenario here. You can see that the daily Stokes just crossed back up. The only thing that you can be worried about here is the RSI making a lower high. You know, we could be putting in some divergence, and that's possible. We get maybe rejected up here. Like I said, maybe we come back down to back test the 70 cent, 60 cent area before getting the continuation. So just be on the lookout for that. Do not try to long this top here unless we close. Actually, this daily candle looks pretty good. This just looks like a back test right now. I would see how this daily candle closes first, to be honest, because I mean the 4 hour is, yeah, the 4 hour does look pretty good. And we got this double bottom here, that catalyzed this move up. We got to the neckline, pull back, and we're making higher lows again. So this looks, on the 4 hour, looks pretty good, I will say. This 4 hour looks pretty good. Obviously the RSI is back down at 56, so you reset the oscillator there. Yeah, maybe you can trade it back up to the top of the range here, 97.8 cents. All right, looking for a quick scalp trade, or maybe a little bit of a longer trade, couple hours on the trade. GBT we can look at. Oh yeah, CRV. Up and handle, broke out, right? Broke the top side range. We're looking at 118% measured move for CRV here from this breakout, which is going to bring us right basically back to where it got listed, the listed price here. And I think eventually, man, we're going to see much higher prices out of this asset because of what it's doing for DeFi right now. Big DeFi protocol on the ETH blockchain. So this looks pretty good. I mean, this sounds crazy, but maybe 83 bucks for the end of this run. This asset, putting it at a huge valuation. GVT VRA. VRA. I never heard of VRA. We'll look at it. The mothership BTC is probably just going to consolidate, guys. Remember, we are in altcoin season. Bitcoin can kind of just sit in this range, right? It may not move so much, while altcoins just go nuts. VRA looks like it's just back testing this 300% retrace area. BCH is a buy and hold, yeah, for sure. You can see on the weekly, this is like making this wick here. This still looks extremely bullish to me. We're not breaking these lows. We came down to touch those lows, and we're just ripping right back up on the daily, right? You see that? So like, this looks like maybe an ascending triangle again. Okay. 70% measured move once you break the top side here. You're looking, you're looking at this 3.272 fib target here on VRA. I don't know what this coin does, but 7 cents, 7.5 cents is your next major target. This could take some time, some weeks, some days to get there, but you are obviously in a major, major parabola structure here as well. Did I hear somebody ask for avax, EVX? Please don't make me put a bullet in my head. I had bought that ICO and I got out of it before that bear market started, and yeah, I don't know, man. Anyways, BTT and BTC is probably at a bottom, I would say. This is an old token, man. But yeah, I love looking at old tokens with chart data, man. This is how you make the money, man. This is how you make the money in trading, by looking at projects that are still live but nobody's talking about, and I think this is one of them for sure that nobody's talking about right now. But you are coming up to a supply line right here, so just be careful. I think that you could get a pullback here. You're actually getting the pullback, it looks like. But what's happening here is you're rounding out, right? So you get in this pullback, you could round out here for a bit before maybe then breaking out of it. All right, we call this a partial decline, and what you're looking for here is to make those higher lows still. All right, so you can see the parabola structure here, right? You can see this forming here on the chart. But what you're looking for is actually a respect or a bounce off this parabola before you then rally on out. And for the BTC targets on this, you guys do know that falling wedge targets end up coming back to the top at some point, right? If the asset is fundamentally sound and there is buyers interested in this project, you know, we could ultimately get back up to the top of the wedge. This could take some time though. So, but short-term targets, you wanna make sure you stay above this 2050 area. Obviously, you've put in a bottom because we're above it. So your next major fib target here is 4,000 cents, 4,050 cents. And then this major resistance right here at the 6,600 sat area. Okay, this could take some time. This is a major longer term swing trade. We're looking at a daily chart, but we're looking at chart data on a larger time scale here, right? So that's what we're looking at for this asset. So band, let me look at band, uni, BTT. We've been talking about band for quite some time, man. Still in the pattern. But I did say, I think it was yesterday, we were going to get a pullback. We touched the top side of the triangle, right? Touched it. Touched the top side of the triangle and pulled back, right? So this is the time to get to re-enter on this type of thing, because it's back testing now. This area it broke out from, right? Before this thing actually goes really extremely parabolic, and that's what's going to happen here. We're going to see this thing just take off, man. It's in this triangle, but it's actually just going to go parabolic. Kind of like what BNB did around $30 and went to like, you know, $400 real fast. I think we're going to see something similar here from Band Protocol. All right. I really think that this $300 area is a possibility. You know, maybe longer term towards the end of the year. If, you know, we'll see how this progresses, but 1,400% measure move on this major pattern here. At minimum, we're probably going to do half the move, so maybe close to $100. You know, shorter term, $40. Medium term, like $60, right? Man, there's so many I gotta cover here. Avalanche, BTT, or AVX, yeah, okay. All right, so we broke the structure. We started to go parabolic. I even said we could get up to here and back test this area, which is what we're doing right now, guys. We're back testing. You guys see this long wick right here on the daily? That means lots of buying came in here towards the bottom of this wick, right? So what we're looking for now is, you can see it. You guys can see it. This thing's going parabolic. it's going parabolic right now. Right? Low, higher low, higher low. All these higher lows, right? You broke this neckline, or you tried to break it. I think you might see some consolidation here again. But you're even, man, you just put a guys, you just put a 4-hour bullish pin here, reversal. Okay, this probably is the bottom. All right, we are probably at a bottom on this asset on the 4-hour time scale, where we could see this just run right back up and test this again. All right, you break this, you're going to go to the next level here at 44 bucks. It's going to happen pretty fast. Okay, it's going to happen pretty fast. But yeah, this looks extremely bullish. You can see the momentum shifting structure here. All right, on this asset, AVAX, BTT, USD. Here, look at it. Yeah, man. Downsloping structure, broke out of it, back testing it, putting in a 4-hour bullish pin bar here, and seeing the continuation candle come in. All right, this also looking very nice, and this is perfection. Look how perfectly you wicked off the heart line here before rallying, and now back testing, making this 4-hour double bottom here. All right, beautiful. This is looking really nice, guys. BitTorrent probably going to go to the moon. Going to break this range right here, this 0.0086 area. Once you break that, you're talking about a move of about 17%. Okay, in the short term here on maybe just like one little run. We all know how BitTorrent goes. But the whole range here is 48% back to the top of the structure. All right. Let's see, EVX. BTC. I would imagine this thing is wrecked. Yeah. Wow. Okay. It's so wrecked that I can't even draw up arrival on it. But this looks pretty good, man. I mean, it looks like shit, but it looks like maybe you're at a value area. That's what I mean. There's the monthly looking pretty good for a move up. Sure. I don't know. I think Avax does like banking solutions, so makes sense. Yeah, you can just get to the golden zone, right? Once you break back above 53.50 for a nice swing trade. Yep. Uniswap, let's take a look at it. We were calling this out the other day, and a nice triangle got the breakout, I think. Or we're about to break out. It looks like we're just back tested. Okay. Looks pretty good on the daily. Although I mean, your RSI is pointed down right now. You could just consolidate again up here before. You could just elongate this triangle setup, right? We could get maybe one more pullback to the bottom of the pattern before breaking out, right? What do I think about Ren? Yeah, let's take a look at it. And FTM. Sorry, guys, I'm way behind on the chat. FTM still beautifully consolidating here. Long term, definitely looks good. You guys can see this. It's still in the structure, still in the pattern, holding the demand line. All right. This trade's still live, man. Still active for sure. What else did I miss? BNB. Oh yeah, Ren. Ren breaking out, man. I mean, this looks beautiful. Nice triangle set up here. Okay, 189% measured move for Ren, guys. I might even give this one as a setup here. All right, this one looks pretty good to go. THETA, yeah, for sure. Sorry, what did I miss? LTC, CHZ, BNB. Yeah, BNB. Okay, so Ren, guys, Ren. This is looking pretty good, man. Shit. Oh, this song is called, it's by Rubber Rod. I don't know what the hell this is, man. I'm gonna screenshot it and put it in the Discord. You guys can check it out in the main chat. All right, let me get back to this. Guys, there's so many trades here. So many. I gotta scroll up here. Sorry, guys. Mr. Noah, are you all concerned about the possibility that Bogdanov, his twins, could dump at any moment? Yeah, I'm not concerned about that, man. They'd be stupid to fucking sell their shit right now. We're about to enter the craziest altcoin boom we've ever effing seen. Serious? If anything, they're selling their Bitcoin for ETH or some of these altcoins right now. Anyways, how's BNB looking? Yeah, let's look at BNB. Yeah, downslope and consolidation. I have it drawn out here, projected, right? Downslope and consolidation probably going to happen here, right? CHZ, yeah, this is that stupid coin we've been following for a long time. Finally breaking out right now. This is an insane move coming. 41% to the top of the range, maybe up to $1. We break that range. You're talking about a 50% move from there. On up to about $1.80, all right? Triple up. This range up here. Okay, CHZ. Chili's Connect. LTC XRP. XRP, yeah. Where were you guys when it was 47 cents, huh? Where were you then? Let me guess. You were watching some other BS guy on YouTube. I'm just kidding, man. Nah, but we called out XRP down here, man. Around 43 cents. Big time. Up and handle. Got the breakout. We're going to probably see XRP trade up to $9 on this run. This song is actually pretty cool. I like it. XRP, Ren, we got it. LTC, we got it. We didn't get it, but I'm going to get it. LTC long term, we already know the target's $800 to $1,200 projection for Litecoin. Litecoin breaking the 886 fib extension. Let's go, Litecoin, to $383, the top here, okay? Once you break the top, we're looking at $840 as the 1272 fib extension target, all right? Getting up there, man, on Litecoin. We called this out at $40 in June, I remember. 45 bucks. Who was with me on the stream here last June when I was saying Litecoin is going to go to the moon and everyone was talking shit? Everyone was talking shit. How's it going, Gregsy? What's going on, brother? Pika USD. Never heard of that one. And we'll look at Mana after that. All right, so this asset, I mean, there's not too much chart data, but this looks pretty good, right? You got a bottom, double bottom here, top side of the range. We could see this continue, right? Back to the top side of the triangle. So Hbar, STK BTC. Wow, yeah, this monthly is destroyed, man. Good find. This looks pretty good. I mean, like, what do you want? This thing's literally at the bottom, right? So, like, you know, you got your next major target here is like, you know, a 4 or 5x away. All right. These are monthly time scale. This is a monthly time scale. Craziness, man. This is the bottom. Look at the volume coming in too. Good find, whoever found this one, man. Tough to lose on something like this that's already at the bottom. Unfortunately, there's no real pattern, right? But it's just wrecked. So like, could see this just come out of thin air and just go parabolic or something. No idea what this coin does. Oh, y'all, I want to stop and make you guys smash that like button right now. Come on, we're seeing some stupid gains. I've been calling out some crazy effing shit for this whole bull market. We've been talking about coins since like June, July, right? At market bottoms on some of these. Come on, man. Let's get some hype in the chat for STP, what we got going on here. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. Tick the little bell. Join the Discord. Join the movement. Come on, guys. Support the stream. Just push that button, man. It's not so hard. It's not so hard. All right. THETA. I don't think we covered THETA. Man, this coin just doesn't stop, man. Coin just doesn't stop. Breaking out. There it is. The falling wedge breakout. Boom. There it is. Got nothing else to say, man. I mean, you're breaking out. Actually, this candle right here is a rejection candle. Right, a Doge candle. And we're gonna probably come back down to like 1270 area, maybe back test this area here, maybe consolidate again before another push up. vChain. We were talking about vChain the other day, and maybe it's at some sort of top, but no. It got here, made a higher low, and pivoted, man. This thing is para-effing-bolic, man. Let's go to the monthly. Look at this, dude. Straight up. Yeah, I got a 50-cent target for it from the bottom of the range to the top of the range. So when we get up there, guys, we're gonna start to take some profits, okay? Hbar. I don't remember where I charted this one. Was it maybe on the USDT chart? Yeah, wow, yeah. Look at this major triangle bull flag we called out here before this even happened. Monthly time scale looking good for Hbar. Craziness. Absolutely craziness. And up here, we're making this like bullish rectangle stuff up here where you're trading in this range. Okay. And you just put a 4-hour high or low in. Yep. This is going to get crazy for Hbar here. Okay. You make these higher lows like this. This is going to be your third attempt at breaking this resistance. And you're looking at a major move once you break it, about 58% price appreciation for Hbar incoming. All right, pretty much putting you right at the 200% retrace area here that we had drawn out, about 70 cents. All right, and I would assume once you break that, your next real area would be that $1 area, that psychological area. Okay, Hbar. ETC predictions. Mana, yeah, Mana's in a pattern, man. I think we covered this the last stream. It's in a nice triangle set up here, and it broke out of it, looks like. Right, we broke out, you back tested it. This is going to see some continuation, guys. Decentraland for sure. Right, when you get a breakout and a back test with a bullish engulfing candle like that, that's signaling to the traders that we've successfully made a back test, and this thing is about to go para-effing-bolic to break out of here. That's what this looks like to me. All right, looks beautiful, a work of art, if you will. Okay, ETC predictions. Yeah, let's take a look at it. But here's the Ethereum Classic trade setup, right here, man. That triangle formation that we formed, we were talking about a 165% measured move. We broke out of it, back tested it, and then gone, right? 165, we're pretty much done the move, which is bringing us right back to all-time highs, that $50 area on Ethereum Classic. Here it is. We broke this neckline here. We even have this plotted, right, to come up here, back test this, and then go. Long-term targets on Ethereum Classic are much, much higher from here. 1,700% from this breakout area, 1,500 at $50. So we're looking at, we're probably not going to do this whole move on this run, but you know, 1,700%. That puts you anywhere in this range here, guys. All right, longer term. 10x probably to the 161.8 pivot extension. Cool. So MTL, Metal Pay, yeah, man. What a move. I got a $55 long-term target for this one, and maybe on up to some crazy number, man. I don't know. Combo USD, never heard of it. Yeah, definitely in some sort of consolidation, right? From this listing that it had. Looks like it's starting to put in higher lows, right? So low, higher low. This is technically still around the same low as that previous low there, but what you want to see is you want to see these 4-hour lows come in, higher lows, okay? So it's not confirmed yet, but this does look like, you know, maybe some sort of accumulation happening. All right, along this area, along this area here, right? You have a demand line there. Okay, so if you do hold this demand line, this could be an area where you buy it. You want to make sure you hold this demand line. This is a good buying area, and you could go back up to the top of the triangle and maybe even break out of it. And if you do that, you're looking at about a 400% measured move from this breakout, and from here, you're looking at about 30 bucks. ETH bearish. Have you seen the ETH chart, homie? If someone says ETH is bearish right now, they should be I don't want to say it, but they should be shot. There's nothing really bearish about the ETH chart right now, other than maybe we could get a pullback, and that's possible. But let's take a look at this, huh? Haven't we looked at this already? Does this look bearish to you? Bearish would mean lower highs and lower lows. This has been making higher highs and higher lows. This is the opposite of bearish. It is called a bull run. Amir, she's, you know, she does basically imply that I don't spend enough time with her, but I will hopefully be spending some time with her this weekend, all right? So, guys, there goes ontology. We were talking about this the other day. Nick, no, I don't think this market is bearish at all right now. It's completely about to go crazy. Wow, no super chats on this stream. Come on, man. I'm giving you guys gold. I give you guys gold every stream. Shocking news to me. Can you look at the website for the coin we're working on? We just got our CoinGecko listing. We burned 50% and locked 50% in Uniswap and threw away the keys. What coin is that, bro? Aw, Annie, you didn't have to do that. Thank you so much, though, Annie. I appreciate that. Awesome, Serbs. Thank you so much. Zongscar, that's not how you spell it, bro. Gotta spell it right for me to look at it. There goes Bitcoin Cash, man. We call this out at $600, just so you guys know. Bitcoin Cash has now doubled in value in the last 3 weeks. We looked at BTT already. Doge. We've been live for 45 minutes, guys. Smash up that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. Join the Discord. Remember, guys, I have a group session tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. All right? Tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. This is a group technical analysis session. All of you guys that are in this chat right now asking me about coins obviously need to learn TA. So you guys should join the session. It's 27 bucks for the hour. I definitely go more than the hour. I handhold you guys through the session. It's a recorded session. Make sure you guys sign up today. Go to swingtradepros.com, look for the group session, technical analysis. Join the Discord. You can also pay via PayPal in the Discord too. Check it out in the coach and client TA area, okay? Here we go, ADA. Still in the pattern, man. Still in the pattern on the weekly chart. Daily getting up here, right? We might get one more back test off this triangle. Maybe one more back test around the $1.30 area and then go. XLM. Yep. How's it going, Ryan? We've been talking about XLM for quite some time too. You guys see this? Oh my God, falling wedge, breakout on the parabola structure, getting the rally. What did we do? Oh my God, we broke the supply line here and we're back testing it right now on the daily. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Matic. What's 8,000%? Annie, you don't kind of keep tipping me. I appreciate it though. Thank you so much. Oh, Cardano is the 8,000%. Yeah. Yep. Long term, for sure. Maybe not in this run, but long term. Total measured move. Maybe by the next iteration, by the next cycle. What else you guys got? Oh, Filecoin, yeah. Holding the fib, right? Held the 786 fib extension. Tried to rally here. And yes, a nice triangle setup here. Amir, thank you so much, brother. Appreciate you. 83% measured move for Filecoin incoming. Where are we going? Well, we're going to break the previous all-time high wick here, right? And head on up to these 1272, on up to the 1618s. Okay? Lots of room to run here for Filecoin, I think. EGLD. Kind of did what I projected here. Maybe we get one more pullback, right, before we go. That's what the chart's suggesting. Actually, the 4-hour chart looks like maybe you get the cross up here soon. But nice down slope of consolidation, right? So maybe come down a little bit more and then go back up, all right? EOS. My favorite S coin. Not. But yeah, absolutely. Kind of like what Bitcoin Cash is doing, right? That parabola structure. You're gonna probably go back up to the all-time highs here. And I mean, can in fact do a move that nobody's thinking. 1,750% measured move from the top breakout area here. Longer term, I don't think that we do this whole move in this run, but maybe close to $80 to $100. All right, that's totally a possibility for this asset. Okay. Yeah, we'll look at Adam here in 1 second, man. Just gonna get some more tunes on. Andy, thank you so much for your super chats today. Appreciate it, man. Where is all the data on this chart? Yeah, I guess Poloniex. Just breaking out of the triangle right now on the weekly, all right? Plenty of room to run. Plenty of room to run. 32 bucks. First we'll target off this major triangle setup, but you know, total measure move 45 bucks. We might even exceed that. You guys already know sometimes these get exceeded, right? We are in a crypto land. Lots of things going on here. I mean, absolutely it is. It is a life-changing skill. And you guys are living proof of watching this channel and watching these streams. You guys are, you know, investing your time watching me and learning here every day, okay? This is what we do here on this channel. And I really think there's a lot to learn here. I have a lot more to learn myself too. But I like to trade longer term time scales. If there's data, right? It's all about the data. So when people were asking me about, you know, did I buy the Coinbase IPO? The answer was no, because I don't know what that stock is going to do, right? There's no data on it. There's no data at all on it. But you got something like this where, you know, you made a cycle top here and then a cycle bottom and you started making these higher lows. Yeah, I didn't catch the bottom here, but I'm trading this breakout and here we go. 11.42%. We got much more upside to go because this asset went straight down, right? Once we break this 250 area, man, it's just going to go straight up. It's going to break right through it. It's going to go parabolic, just like Dogecoin right now is up 100% on the day. You know, just some silly stuff like this that it's going to do because there's no real resistance here. What do you recommend right now, the short term? Dude, just go through the stream, man. I literally went through 1 million coins. Literally went through 1 million coins, brother. Okay. There goes Icon. ICX could be setting up here. Oh yeah. Dan Humps, thank you so much, brother. Appreciate the $20 super chat. ICX on the demand line right now, guys. Are you paying attention? Icon is on the demand line right now. Okay. Daily Stokes just crossed up. We're in for probably a nice move here for Icon. Guys, 100% measured move for this asset. If we break to the upside, and you guys already know we're probably going to. We are in a hyper bull market right now, right? We're looking at, wow, man, we're looking at maybe a $7 target for Icon, dude. This is effing crazy, man. I bought a bag of Icon, guys, at 15 cents. 15 cents, man, down here. This falling wedge structure, I traded this, it broke out, I got my initial investment out and left the rest of the token staked, and I'm just holding the bag. I'm holding the bag. You guys already know, man, to $50 on this asset. $50 on this asset. Crazy shit, man. This is looking like a 100% measured move right here on this asset. Are you guys paying attention? Yo, one's in the chat if you're listening right now. Let's go. One's in the chat. This is a big setup here, guys. 100% measured move. And we're at the bottom of a demand line potentially. Okay? When do I think the next bear market starts? Well, once we put in a market cycle top, right? Once we put in that blow off top. I would say, guys, you know what's a good thing to follow is the rainbow chart, the Bitcoin rainbow chart. All right, right now we're still in the FOMO intensified stage, and we could sit, and this is just Bitcoin, right? So if Bitcoin just sits in this FOMO intensifying stage for a while, right, just consolidates up here. What I use to track my spot portfolio balance? I use Crypto Compare. This is my hodl bags right now, guys. All right. Cool. Yeah, so back to this chart here, the rainbow chart. So like when we start getting into these red areas, guys, that's when you want to really be like liquidating your stuff. Like I'm not selling anything right now because these altcoins could go nuts while Bitcoin just consolidates. Because we're gonna go back and look at the total two, right? We're gonna go back and look at the total two, the total chart, right? And we can see that we just broke out of this thing right here, back here in early April. And man. This is a falling wedge breakout. You guys already know this can go to the top of the wedge before we get a pullback, right? Probably to a higher low. And that's when Bitcoin probably starts revving up again, is after we do the measured move, you know, to the top. This is where you want to sell altcoins probably back for Bitcoin or you know, probably back for Bitcoin, right? And then maybe one more leg, right? This is probably towards the end of the year, like September. There it is, September, October, right? This is probably when Bitcoin goes on its last leg, right, to make its powerball or to make its blow off top, right down here, September, October time. And then into December, we'll see the altcoins have one more serious rally to do blow off tops, and that's when we'll see the end of the run. Okay. Right now, you should be selling all your Bitcoin for altcoins, and then all the altcoins back for Bitcoin here. And then ride the Bitcoin wave till the end of the run, and then sell for cash, right? Or Pax Gold maybe. All right, I was looking at that as a potential trade towards the end of the run, because we all know that Pax Gold is a crypto, and you can still earn interest on it. And I think, I mean, this chart sucks, but like, let's just look at the gold chart, because Pax Gold just follows gold, and gold's in a massive falling channel, right? So, and I think gold's going to get repriced over the next couple of years here, and Bitcoin, you know, may go through its retracement after making its major moves like this. But gold can just sit up here, consolidate up here, and hold your value of those dollars that you made in crypto, right? So this could be the trade. This could be the trade that you make while you sit out of the bear market, right? Just my opinion. I don't know if this is going to be a good trade just yet, but it looks like it's going to be, potentially, a good trade. All right. Right, because this was the crash after the 90s boom, right? This is the crash after Corona, right? The nice rally here. We made a hot technical higher high, right? This looks like maybe a cup with a handle, right? You guys see that? Cup and handle on gold. Anyways, AMD and MFT. Moto, yeah. Wow, we got the breakout here. Nice. Got the 618 fib extension. Nice. On the monthly chart. Let's go to the daily. Daily down sloping consolidation, right? Also looks good. Making a flag up here. You're looking for coin tracker, ZZ. Coin tracker, Ken. And I think we had what, MFT? This can't possibly be. I guess it is. Well, this does look like maybe a top, right? Briefly up here. But you're starting to make higher lows again, so. But yeah, that 4 hour looking nice, man. 4 hour looking nice. All right, nice consolidation down here. All right. Could be an area for a long, right? Back up to the top of the range. Those green bands are always right, man, especially on the 4 hour time scale. All right, guys. Well, it's been a great stream. Thank you guys so much for joining it. If you guys don't have any other tickers for me, well, we'll catch you guys in the next one. So thank you guys again for joining. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys head on over to the website, all right, and sign up for the group coaching session. It's tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. Eastern. We will start at around 10:30 to do introductions, to get a little understanding of who you are as a trader, how you got into trading, how long you've been in crypto. Yeah, man, just to hang out for a little bit before we start and get everybody comfortable and ready to look at and learn charts for the coming hour. Sometimes I even go more than the hour, guys. I'll typically go probably an hour and a half, sometimes 2 hours, depending on how much time I have to dedicate to you guys. All right, but check out the coaching session. It's $27. The prices will be going up soon on that, so this is another opportunity to get in on such a low price, guys. And we will probably be raising prices on our products here in the next couple weeks. So make sure you guys take advantage of these low prices right now and lock those rates in. And check out the SAR bot if you guys haven't done so already, man. This is one of our best products that we offer here at STP. And we're probably going to be raising prices on these two soon as well. All right. So make sure you guys check those out. Join the Discord. Join the movement. Join the STP Discord. Invest in yourself today. We'll catch you guys probably tomorrow sometime. All right. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for the, $50 super chat. Appreciate it, brother. Catch you guys tomorrow.